Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of introducing you to this beautiful Ford Transit Nugget. It's a very rare Nugget Plus, which I'll show you what extras you get on the Plus shortly. It's a 2 litre Eco Blue, 185 horsepower, finished in chrome blue metallic. It boasts full Ford service history. Last service this year at 12,697 miles in July. It's all ready to go and enjoy. So let's take a look around and see what we can show you. So as I said, finished in chrome blue. Registration is Alpha Juliet 21, Hotel Charlie Papa. Has day running lights to the front, as well as front parking sensors and front fogs. Features alloy wheels, as you can see there. So now this van is currently set up into what we refer at Rayland Car Sales as day mode. So the roof is up, the awning is out, table and chairs are all set up, and we're set up for leisure and dining inside. So as I said, the awning is out. It's a Westphalia awning. Lovely set of Westphalia chairs here. Nice Westphalia stitched detailed embroidery on the seats. Table there is adjustable in height as well. Also on these little chairs that you get as well, not only they're nice and comfortable, they also have a nice cup holder as well. So one thing that makes Ford Transit Nugget stand out from the rest on the custom is firstly that it is a 5-seat vehicle with 5 proper seat belts, 5 3x3 seat belts. So we can see we're currently set up here, as I said, for leisure and dining. We also have twin sliding doors, another feature you see on the Nugget only. So let's take a look inside. We'll show you the front cab and the controls later in the video. So our table's in. We can sit here and look at both doors. So with the Nugget you can walk through without having to get out into the back area. So we can see here we've got our gas stove, twin gas hob burner. We also have our sink, and also being a Nugget Plus, and not only is it a extra also on the Nugget Plus, this also has the heated water. So we've got hot and cold water on board, which is really rare. There you go. Just show you the water running there in a minute. We also have our heated shower as well. I'll show you that when we get around to the back, as well as a sink here as well for us to maybe wash our hands in, and use the other one for food preparation. So we can use this for cleaning teeth or when we're using the toilet. Lovely deep Westphalia fridge. Put absolutely loads in there you can. Roof's in good order. Got a large double that folds down from there, which we'll show you later in the video. Got loads and ample storage on board as well. So let's take a look around the back a second. So you can see here we've got rear parking sensors, a nice Nugget Plus decals there. So here is where the chairs fold away and store to. So we've got our shower for outside showering as well, which I said is heated. We can hook that up here, up on the rear window, which we'll just do now, as you can see that. Just put that down out of the way a second. Also, the main feature on the Nugget Plus is we can pull this blind across, like so. And now we've got a privacy to use our toilet. So we've got a lovely toilet on board there. Like I said, got the screen across for our privacy. Absolutely fantastic. There's no other camper on the market with a toilet in it of this size. Currently got it hooked in at the moment. 240 volts just to show you. This is what you would use on a camp. Again, Nugget Plus decals there. The beautiful metallic chrome blue there, sparkling in the sun. As I said, alloy wheels all the way around. All in fantastic condition with Goodyear tyres. We've got a lockable water area as well. So we've got our onboard water tank. As you can see, the paintwork's absolutely fabulous. Just show you up at the roof. The roof again, fantastic condition. No rips or tears there. So again, you can see that colour really coming alive here in the sun. Just while we're finishing off setting up and now, I'm just going to share with you our view here at Raylands. Beautiful view here across South Somerset. Absolutely stunning. You can take a look at our stunning view when you come and view with us. We view strictly by appointment at all times. Also worth mentioning, this vehicle itself comes with a 12-month AA basic breakdown cover as standard. That's because we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. So I do believe we're all set up now for showing you. So now the bed is all folded out. So that's your downstairs area here. And then up top, we also can fold down the roof for our other bed. I'll just undo the clips a second. And there we go. Quite easily done now, even though I'm doing it with one hand. You can see how quick and easy it is. So a lovely double up top. Again with the comfort mattress on this one, with the springs. So you can see the roof inside as well while we're here. Zip all sides. It's actually a massive area at the top. Very large double. So let's walk through. Take a have a look in the front. So on the driver's seat and the passenger seat, we've got heated seats. Bear 1 second, I'll just start the van. So we've got a warning there just letting us know that we've got a sliding door open and the roof is up, I believe. Bear me 1 second. So there we go. You can see there's no warning lights there at all. It's just a warning, that noise there, just to let us know. I think it's because we've left our 12-volt hookup in. Just turn it off a second. So as you can see, there was no warning lights there at all. Just start it again for you, just to show you. So it's only covered 12,737 miles, this van. Really low mileage. Driven it myself, nice and smooth through the gearbox. 6-speed manual. We also have on board air conditioning, as I said. We've got heated front seats in the front, and we've got touchscreen here. So we've got satellite navigation. There's other various mobile apps we can look at as well. Obviously we've got our radio, and we also got on board our control panel above here. That's where we can look at our water and our power inputs for our leisure battery. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry about that beeping at the end, it's because we've left the 12-volt socket still hooked in, which I showed you earlier on the side. So fantastic Ford Nugget Plus, extremely rare there to have with the toilet, and the hot water as well, very rare with the hot water. Full Ford service history. Only recently serviced at Ford this year. Not forgetting that 12-month AA basic breakdown cover you'll get from us as well. That's we're an AA dealer promise dealer. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you'd like to purchase or make an appointment to view, feel free, give us a call on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Hope you enjoyed watching.